Hi friends! Have you ever gone hic hic hic? Those funny sounds are called hiccups. Let's find out why. Inside your chest lives a special muscle called your diaphragm. This muscle helps you breathe in and breathe out perfectly. But sometimes, your diaphragm gets a little bit silly. And a tiny door in your throat slams shut. That's how the hic sound happens inside your body. So what makes your diaphragm get all jumpy anyway? Eating too fast can make your tummy feel really full. Now drinking fizzy bubbles can tickle your diaphragm too. Because feeling excited or nervous tickles it from inside. The amazing thing is hiccups usually stop by themselves. What happens next is you can help them go away. When you hold your breath, your diaphragm rests quietly again. This way you'll feel normal and happy once more. Here's the best part, hiccups are totally normal friends. And here's something special, now you know your body's secrets.